everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming a My Newest Addiction haul. I've got some old favorites, some new releases, and a lot of great stickers to share with you, so let's get started. So let's start off with the different samplers that you can get from the shop. This is the PR Team sampler. You can get that by using any of our codes. Mine is Angelica15. This is Annie Plan's collab sampler, and you get this if you use Annie's code. And this is the Planner Sophisticate collab sampler, which you get if you use Jasinia's code. There are also some newly designed freebie cards you get with your orders, so let's flip through those. This first one says Good Vibes Only. Second one is Be a Macaron in a Cookie Cutter World. And the last one says Life is Short, Buy the Shoes. So I'm going to start by flipping through my stack of mini sheets. I've got lots of fun foils to show off. This first sheet is the Neutral Bow Clip set with pearl foiling. Then we have the pastel bows with the pearl foiling as well. These are the new bows that she's designed. I got the pink gradient version with metallic rose foiling. And this is the blue gradient version with pixie dust foiling. I also picked up 2 sheets of the clear bow headers. I got gold and metallic rose foiling on those. This is the foiled heart icon sheet in blush with metallic rose foiling. The metallic bobby pins with metallic rose foiling. And the Nap Queen sheet, and this is a collab with the Planner Sophisticate, and I got this with metallic rose foiling. Are you guys sensing a trend here? I'm obsessed with this color, and I can't wait to find the perfect kit to pair it with. And now we'll move on to the full sheets. So I got 2 of the foiled boxes. You get half size and quarter size, and I got metallic rose and gold for those 2. And then these are the sidebar trackers in metallic rose and gold. I figured I would stock up on the basics since gold goes with pretty much every kit, and then save the metallic rose for something special. And I got 2 sheets of the foiled sleepy pillows, metallic rose and gold again. These are so cute. I could just sit here and watch this all day. And the last sheet I got was the Sophisticate favorite sheet, and this is another collab with the Planner Sophisticate where she added her scripts to some of Laura's illustrations, and this is one of my favorite sheets in her shop. I already have it in a non-foiled and in gold foiling, so I had to grab it in metallic foil too. I mean, look at that shine. This is going to be so great. I can't wait to use all of these metallics together. And last up, we have the June monthly kit. I use a B6 planner, so that is the version that I pick out. But whenever she has them listed in the shop, she has a few different versions to choose from, so you can fit it to your planner. I'm loving all of this rose gold foiling, as I'm sure you can tell. So you have your June 2018, the different day covers. Then you get bows and balloons, heart date icons, little boxes, some payday and bill due scripts, holidays, and then some heart icons as well. This is so gorgeous, and I love to pair my favorite Simply Gilded Bow washies with these. I do it every month because you can always find a Simply Gilded Bow washi to coordinate with the My Newest Addiction kits. These 2 shops are just a match made in heaven. And that does it for this haul. Don't forget to check out the description below for a direct link to the My Newest Addiction shop. And don't forget to use my discount code Angelica15 to save 15% on your order of $10 or more and get our freebie PR Team sampler. You can keep up with all of my planner adventures by subbing to my channel and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!